I'm going to show you the corrected answers only. And as we go ahead, we will talk about each colligative property one by one. So the corrected colligative properties, directly I'm giving you, these formulas should stay with you. 100% expect a question in your exam from here. What? Relative lowering in vapor pressure. The formula is very simple. Delta P by P naught A is equal to I into the mole fraction of the solute. The second one, elevation in boiling point. You can see that delta TB is equal to I kBm. Third one, depression in freezing point. Delta TF is equal to I kFm. Osmotic pressure, pi is equal to ICRT. The four formula should go straight in your mind. It should stay with you. These are experimental, so you can't derive it, okay? So it should stay with you forever. I hope it is clear. We'll make use of all of them going ahead, okay? Now, another few set of formulas that I would like to give you are these. So you can see that corrected colligative properties, I is equal to the experimental colligative property divided by the calculated colligative property. This is again a formula that should stay with you. The second one for the colligative property, abnormal and the theoretical, this is taken care of here. So experimental is the actual colligative property which has been experimentally observed divided by what we are finding out through calculations. So this is the first one. The second one is the normal molecular mass or molar mass divided by abnormal molar mass. Okay, so molar mass which is come via calculation, so just opposite, you can see, divided by the abnormal molar mass. We'll make use of this now in the calculations. This third formula that should stay with you for Van't Hoff factor is I is equal to number of moles after dissociation divided by number of moles before association or dissociation. So I is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 alpha. The two kind of questions that we have already practiced. I is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 alpha. And the other one is I is equal to 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 alpha in case of the association. So these formulas should stay with you forever. Okay, let's go ahead. Talk about each colligative property one by one.